I wish I could make it more interesting and spicy, but no, it's just another normal process of filmmaking.
It sounds complicated, but it's actually the difficult part is to get to the simplicity of it.
हिंदी सीरीज मैंने ज़्यादा देखी नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे कई बार ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं रहता कि कौन सी वाला
तो कर दिया है ब्रिटिश राज में.
Writing and editing, I take a lot of time. Shooting, I do very fast.
वेरी फास्ट.
And I don't think anything good is easy. Honestly, it's not like you're selected and you're ready. I was not ready. I wasn't. I was made ready. I was molded by these people.
But you know how they say that if when you're pregnant, you're not allowed to speak about it. So I'm not going to speak about it for a while.
कोई चला गया, कोई जावे, कोई चला गया, कोई जावे, कोई गथड़ी बांध सिधावे.
Hi, I'm Taruk Raina.
Hi, I'm Samiruddin.
Hi, I'm Ram Advani, and you're watching us on Movie Find.
So Ram, Sameer and Taruk, welcome to Movie Fight.
Thank you.
Hello, thanks.
Congratulations firstly because जो हमने ट्रेलर देखा and जो दिख रहा है that is huge, grand and looking fabulous. So Ram, my first question to you is 5 सालों का रिसर्च. पहले तो आप मुझे ये बताओ कि ये थॉट आपको कैसे आया था, कब आया था पहले, एंड इतना लंबा रिसर्च.
नहीं, एक्चुअली 5 साल से रिसर्च तो नहीं हो रहा है. It took us 3 years to write it. The research is in the public domain, and ये हम कह रहे हैं कि भाई it's inspired by true events. This is not as if it's a historical documentary of that kind. लेकिन जैसे ट्रेलर में कहा है कि जो आपको हत्याकांड के बारे में पता है, लेकिन आपको ये जो हम साजिश जो कह रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपको नहीं पता है. तो ये हम जो कह रहे हैं कि ये जनरल डायर जो हमको लगता है सिर्फ उसने किया है, नहीं, उसके ऊपर एक हाथ है. और ये हमारे पोस्टर में भी हमने दिखाया है कि वो तो सिर्फ एक कठपुतली थे, उसके ऊपर एक हाथ है जो ब्रिटिश राज का हाथ है. सो व्हेन डूइंग रिसर्च, it's there, everything is there on the net and in the archives. But the reason I decided to make it is because I think ये जो वो लोग आए, हमको काटा छुरी सिखाया खाने के लिए, बोला हाथ से मत खाना चाहिए. There were certain notions of the color of your skin. गोरे लोग अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन brown is not, it's little down. So all of these things it's about racism, it's about colonialism. So that's what I wanted to speak about.
And the waking of a nation, इसका जो idea है, first thought, when did this came to your mind?
It's been going on for a while. I did a film on Sir Cyril Ratcliffe जिसने जो partition की जो line जो draw की थी, and Samiruddin did the music for that. It's a short film. So since then I've been trying to figure out कि ये जो हमारे साथ जो हुआ ब्रिटिश राज के ज़माने में, and the freedom struggle that we had to go through, and so it's really about how India became India. But more important than that, it's about 4 friends. The story is really about the youth, and it is meant for the youth. और उनके hopes, ambitions, dreams, their loves. So it's about their problems.
Okay, now coming to Taruk, मतलब ये इंटरव्यू के पहले, कैमरा रोल होने के पहले हमारा डिस्कशन चल रहा था. नाउ आस्किंग यू ऑन कैमरा दिस थिंग, कैसे सोचा, पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ आप कि तारुक के बारे में कि ही इज गोइंग टू बी द वन.
Well, there's an audition process that we go through. I wish I could make it more interesting than that, but there was 200 people and more we auditioned. Abhimanyu Ray is our casting director, and I thought that Taruk, and we tested him 2-3 times, and I felt that he suited and deserved the role, and it is his talent that has got him the role. And I realized that he would be able to do justice to be the lead and carry and shoulder such an important character in what Shantanu Nath and Shantanu Srivastava and Shatrunjit Nath have written together with me. So when we were looking at the test, my first choice was him, and it's thanks to Sony Live that they supported the casting choice, and Shogoto and Danesh and Gaurav now, that they allowed us to choose the people who are of the right age and who suited the part. So it sounds like a miracle in today's time,
बट वाइल राइटिंग ऑल्सो कोई ऐसा जहन में था कोई एक्टर जिसको आप लोग सोचकर वो कैरेक्टर लिख रहे थे?
No,
नहीं,
no, we were not. And also,
you guys were open actually कि
completely open.
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends on the casting process, and as long as there were no, sort of, Sony was good enough not to have, them have a certain point of view which said नहीं हमको ऐसा ही actor चाहिए फिर हम बेच सकते हैं etc. So they didn't have those problems, which was really good of them. But it's based on a fictional character in any case.
Right.
So no, it was none of that. I wish I could make it more interesting and spicy, but no, it's just another normal process of filmmaking.
and अच्छे एक्टर के साथ साथ he is such a fab singer as well.
Well, that was a bonus because Samiruddin has done the music, and
Yeah.
we have कबीर के गाने, 4 गाने हैं जो कबीर के दोहा से है, लेकिन
Right.
the melodies are by Samir and Taruk has sung them.
तो एक्टिंग वाले पार्ट पे आऊंगी मैं, लेकिन पहले वो म्यूजिकल वाले पार्ट पे आ जाते हैं. सो समीर, मतलब जब हम ऐसी सीरीज करते हैं या फिल्म करते हैं तो एक एडेड प्रेशर थोड़ा होता है कि हमें उस टाइम का म्यूजिक या ये सारी चीजें करनी होती है. सेम गोज विद द डायरेक्शन आल्सो कि बहुत सारी चीजें सोचनी पड़ती हैं. सो फॉर यू व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट थॉट, कैसे म्यूजिक करना है, किस तरह का म्यूजिक रहेगा? लाइक कबीर के दोहे से जैसे राम ने बताया कि गाने हैं एंड ऑल, तो क्या था?
बात वही थी कि कबीर के शब्द हैं, उनकी फिलॉसफी है, और उनको सिर्फ मुझे बस ये पता था कि इसका हिस्टोरिक रेलेवेंस जो भी हो ना हो, लेकिन इसको एक सच्चाई से बरतना है, उतना ही पता था. क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कबीर जब उन्होंने क्या सोच के लिखा और क्या कहा वो उस टाइम की बात है. बट और फोक की यही ब्यूटी होती है कि किसी भी फोकलोर या फोक की के आप अपने टाइम पे अपने हिसाब से उसको इंटरप्रेट करोगे. बट हाँ, दूसरा चैलेंज ये भी था कि वी हैव सेट इट इन अ पीरियड. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ कंटेम्प्रेरी हम जो आज का साउंड है उससे उसको रिलेट करें. तो हमने जो उसकी जो सबसे क्लोजेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ प्योरिटी जो मुझे समझ में आती थी, तो जब हमने डिस्कशंस करी, जब राम ने कहा कि मेरे को ये कबीर के दोहों पे बेस करना है, इसका जो म्यूजिक है उसकी फाउंडेशन ये नींव इसी पे बांधो, तो हमने बस एक चीज जरूर डिसाइड करी कि जितना सिंपलिस्टिक जा सके, कि धुन से लीड करें, और धुन जितनी शिद्दत से बना सके उतनी शिद्दत से बनाओ, जो तुम्हारे मन की सच्चाई उस हिसाब से बनाओ. प्लस एक तारा और करताल पे ही पहले शुरू किए सारे. कोई बहुत ओवर्टली ड्रेस प्रोडक्शन, कोई बहुत ज्यादा इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन नहीं था, सिर्फ उसमें था. और ऊपर से हाँ, हमने जस्ट टू बी श्योर कि अगर जैसे वही होता कि कुछ चीजें हमें, मुझे जैसे खुद से उन चीजों के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं है, तो हमारे साथ श्रुति थी जो
Shruti Vishwanathan is actually a folk singer, and she's also knows Pradhat Tipania ji, who is one of the foremost Kabir singers from the Malwa region. And so I also went and spent a couple of days, just speaking to him. And so it's because of Shruti's training, because it's not the training in singing, but it's a training in soul. And to seep yourself in that.
हाँ, वो तासीर समझने के लिए तो इन्होंने टाइम स्पेंड किया उनके साथ. 3 महीने 3.5 महीने शायद, जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है.
I mean, she really, it was completely new for me. She really kind of made me understand कि आपको कहाँ तक जाना है, ये समझने के लिए कि आप बोल क्या रहे हो.
तारुक, मतलब यहाँ पे दो किरदार मैं बोलूँ तो करना पड़ गया, सिंगिंग एंड एक्टिंग दोनों. बट लाइक कैसे डिवाइड किया दोनों चीजों को?
एक ही है, ये किरदार एक ही है, और मतलब इन द सेंस I think it's not very different because तो किरदार के साथ साथ उसके जो पैशंस है और उसके जो इंटरेस्ट है, उनमें से ये एक है. मतलब हमारा जो
वो कैरेक्टर का पार्ट ही है ना,
कैरेक्टर का पार्ट है, तो इट इज नॉट.
हाँ, बट वो सिंगिंग में जब आप सीख रहे हो, जब आप जैसे बोला श्रुति के साथ आपने ट्रेनिंग किया, सारी चीजें की, तो वो एक अलग से you have to give time to that also.
Correct, of course, time तो देना पड़ता है. पर मैं सच बताऊं, मैं संगीत नहीं सीखा, मैं
फिलॉसफी
सीखा था. और वो फिलॉसफी सीखते सीखते अपने कैरेक्टर से ज्यादा पास आया मैं ही. इट्स नॉट दैट मैं एग्जैक्टली गाने का टेक्निक या कुछ सीख रहा था. It was the same tapasya that my character would have done.
And also his character's arc is that he becomes a man who is rooted to India, but he goes to London. वो lawyer बन के आता है, and therefore he comes wearing a suit, and then he becomes a person who wears a dhoti. तो ये उसकी arc है. So but he was always rooted. He forgot his roots, just like we are saying. sometimes we have forgotten our roots and we've forgotten our own culture because they came and took away some of it.
मेरे साथ वही हुआ. In fact, I make commercial indie pop music, and it's
No, but that's good.
It was very different. It was very different.
एक अलग जॉनर में ना.
But एक दिन मुझे श्रुति ने कहा, जब when you're singing, I want you to feel the mitti on the ground. I want you to feel where you're standing. I want you to feel where this is coming from. I want you to feel like, where all these emotions lie. Who is this for? And it sounds complicated, but it's actually, the difficult part is to get to the simplicity of it. Like,
हाँ,
it's
सही
that.
बात है.
और जब लाइक ऑडिशन के बाद सिलेक्शन हो गया था तो कहीं थोड़ा भी ऐसा ये डाउट हुआ था whether you are going to pull this off, how you are going to pull this off, this character, किस तरह से, मतलब कोई एक होता है ना कि being an actor कि एक सेकंड थॉट आ जाता है.
मैम,
हुआ था?
थर्ड थॉट, फोर्थ थॉट, सिक्स थॉट सारे थे.
इतने सारे थे.
सारे, मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था मैम, मैं सच बताऊं. ये
I had no second thoughts.
This-
I had no second thoughts. I was very clear. I knew he could do it.
and I'm not kidding, that it is his belief that has actually driven me to work
I
towards it.
genuinely
And
had no, I just didn't think about it. So whenever he was scared or he was doubtful, obviously we're all scared about what we do and we want to get the best out, but still I had no doubt ever. And like I was saying, if I had to recast it, if I had to reshoot it, if I had to make it again, I would yet cast him.
वाओ.
no, but I mean, I also wanted to do justice to it, and it's something that it is a big responsibility. It is a responsibility that I've never been entrusted with before. The fact that Ram sir has kind of trusted me with something like this was just I didn't want to not do everything in my power to make this right.
No, of course.
So there was that fear, and
So
I think
even
like you were discussing, and fear is good.
Fear is good, yeah.
एंड राम, कितना वक्त लगा इस पूरी सीरीज को कंप्लीट करने में?
So I shoot very fast because I work with 3-4 cameras and try and do it real time. So we took 3 years to write it, but it took us about 45-46 days to shoot it, which is 6-7 episodes, so it's very fast.
Oh.
But we've now spent a year editing.
Editing.
अच्छा.
So that editing takes, writing and editing, I take a lot of time. Shooting I do very fast.
Very fast.
And the music also, when Samir does it, he did it before the shoot. So I don't play him a reference track. He's heard the script, and then he makes themes, whether it's a conspiracy theme or father-son theme or friends theme, and then we edit it to his work. So automatically, in fact not automatically, magically it fits because he did a theme. My editors would use it and it would work, or I would play it to my actors before shooting and say, this is what the feeling is. And my short breakdown sometimes comes from the music that he makes.
Gives
But
me-
also talking about this famous 90 minutes long shot, इसके बारे में बताओगे
Is
आप
it
कुछ?
famous?
And then maybe it's infamous.
Infamous.
Famous.
तो हमारी ऑफिस फेमस में है, महालक्ष्मी में.
उसके लिए हम
No, but no, I take very long takes. We have 4 female DOPs who are there as part of the shoot. They're very strong women. I'm surrounded by strong women all the time. I have strong women characters in the work that I do. But it's not as if it's anything. We're not using it as one take. I do it so that you try and bring a feeling. It's a little technical, so I won't go into it. But basically, it's something to try and get to truth. It's trying to get to some reality. So I take it like as if it's a play meets a documentary meets a movie with cinematic craft. So I try and use all of these methods to try and make the actor feel like as if he's unobserved. Like just now, if we are having this conversation, let's say that this take would be 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you'll eventually end up using 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We're not going to use the whole thing. So similarly, we came in, we had a chat, we're now, so a lot of it is based on the realness of our interactions. So when my actors are working, if there are 150 people in the plane or in the commission, I make sure that they're there. Even ऐसा नहीं कि उसका close-up है, अभी आप लोग सब जाओ. That energy exchange, which is what we're doing just now, is what I'm capturing. and sometimes that energy exchange is what is felt as reality on screen.
And as a director, for you, what was the most challenging part shooting this series?
You know, I don't like shooting, so I'm not a great fan of. I don't like being on set. I find it very stressful because I'm so worried about time. Because that, like on my call sheets, I put down a per minute cost. So every day, everybody gets to know, and I'm always telling my team the per minute cost of today is this much, and whatever that means. Of course, if you want to spend that time having a discussion, no problem. But remember that this is how much it costs. So there's so much money involved, or sometimes so little money involved.
So much to do, so
So
little
much
money.
to lose, yeah. That I find that the most difficult thing is actually just time. And I'm constantly worried about, I call it the tyranny of time.
Yeah.
I'm constantly, I feel that now, you know, in English, people, when they die, they put on their gravestone. I think my gravestone will say, though I'm not English, but my gravestone will say, I wish I had more time.
I wish I had more time. It's so true. Especially on the set.
Or especially on set. Maybe in life also.
Yeah, maybe in life as well.
एंड अगर मैं बात करूँ फ्रेश फेसेस की एंड मैं established एक्टर्स की बात करूँ,
जी।
तो व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू आपके लिए इजी क्या रहता है काम करना? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज डिफिकल्ट एंड इजी व्हेन यू वर्क विद न्यू फेसेस, व्हेन यू वर्क विद सीजन्ड एक्टर्स?
See, I can't make an actor act. Okay, that is not my job. I'm not here to. कभी मैं एक्टर को बोलूँगा नहीं कि आप ऐसे बोलो. I will never act it for them. Okay, no matter how good or how bad the actor is, I will never say the line like this. That is the worst way to direct an actor. The idea is to instill in that actor a way, I mean, that entire workshopping process, etc., that allows them to flower. So when actors are working with me, I take their talent for granted. Okay, I say, of course, you're working with me. That means you will know acting. Otherwise, how you can't be working with me? Okay. Number one, also, I surround them with a worldview. I surround them with the opportunity of real life as much as I can. And then what I do is I genuinely take talent for granted. Okay, and what I don't take for granted is hunger. And what I don't take for granted is work ethic. And what I don't take for granted is that you come on time. Those are the things that, and what I don't take for granted is like, that is most, भाई आपने यहाँ आओ, आप काम के लिए आओ, आप अपने काम बराबर से करो. And also what I don't, do you want to work with me? Most important. So a lot of these actors, if they want to work with me, great. That means they are hungry to work with me. Then I can say, yes, that I can work with you. It's the other way around.
So you always wanted to work with him?
Yes, I really did.
And how was the whole experience of yours?
It was incredible. Like it's the biggest. I won't say that. Oh, it's not been like, oh, didn't feel like work or didn't feel like it. It is work. It is hard work.
Hard work.
It is hard work,
Yeah.
but it is a learning of a lifetime. I'm sorry, but we have a lot more to gain than we take a lot from him. Because for us, it's like a whole new film school that we attend.
Like, I don't understand how people work. Like,
So true,
action का ये setup, वो setup, आपका close-up, thermocol, eyeline, look. Like ऐसा होता नहीं है, you know. This is how it works. It's like we are talking to each other. Like, you actually want to take us shooting our shot of us talking without you there, and I should be talking to a thermocol or to a eye. Acha, what's your question? Somebody gives it me from there, then I have to reply like this without you there. I don't understand this process. How cinema has become industrial in that way. So it's something which is called System 360, which is the way I work. But it's really trying to get to some, truth of. But this is what I'm interested in.
Okay. And talking about you, इस कैरेक्टर की अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो वर्कशॉप जो था वो कितने दिनों का था? And what was the most difficult part for you?
I think overall, it is a difficult part. It is not an easy part. And I don't think anything good is easy. Honestly.
Actually, that is so well put.
True.
Yeah, I don't think so. And because it was difficult, that is what kind of, made it even more exciting in a way.
Yeah.
The workshop was long. I mean, months. Months.
We
and
had
months.
Pooja and Sheena, and then we had Atul Mumbai
And we had,
also.
yeah. So I
Achha.
mean, Pooja, Sheena, and Atul sir, they really helped me, like carried me through it. It wasn't like from the get go when it's not like you're selected and you're ready. I was not ready. I wasn't. I was made ready. I was molded by these people, and that is how I got to that first day of shoot. And even through the shoot, constantly we were still workshopping, getting better, getting closer to what we wanted to do. And that is how it is. I mean, the fact that we constantly tried to get closer and closer to, like Ram sir said, the truth of what we're trying to show is kind of how all of them made me do it. Like, it's not like I landed up there and I'm like, just
Let's go.
yes, I know my job. No, it wasn't like that. I really was. I had a lot of help, like more than anyone should ever take for granted. Like,
It's just natural. Well, whoever that I'm working with, this is the process that it is. So that's how it works. So,
so बहुत लंबा था वर्कशॉप, मुश्किल भी
Right.
था, good days, bad days, कभी प्रेज, कभी डांट, सब कुछ.
कितनी डांट पड़ी राम से?
राम सर को डांटने की जरूरत नहीं.
आंखें दिखा के हो जाता है काम?
आंखें में नहीं,
नहीं.
आपको पता
I
होगा.
shouted at other people.
Oh.
And that's how they know I'm shouting at them. Can you please hurry up, etc. And they, oh, Ram is in a bad mood. But I'm not. A lot of this is even
Yeah.
with when we were doing the riots, which was with maybe 300, 400 people. Yeah.
Even, I mean, I don't think.
No, I'm just kidding.
He doesn't shout it. I mean, you must have gotten.
If at all this fake
mildly,
shouting.
yeah.
So it's to basically what happens is if I shout at my team, it's to tell and then I'll tell my team I'm going to shout at you, so that I can make the other people feel that okay, he's in a bad mood. So I use these forces of anger or whatever as tricks.
I really believe. In fact, I was telling Amita ma'am yesterday, day before yesterday, that Ram sir is the toughest, nicest man I know.
It's nicest.
It's a
Yeah.
big stage because he doesn't have to say much, and he uses very, very interesting kind of ways to tell you, even if you're doing something right or wrong, and it hits you like 5 minutes later that
It was for me.
Lots of stories like that, man. Lots of stories.
So yeah, no, but yeah, बहुत वक्त लगाया इस पर, मुझ पर, ताकि मैं ये कर पाऊँ.
बट अब जब देख रहे हैं हम ट्रेलर में, so you being played that character and as an actor, देख करके पहला थॉट क्या आया था जब पहली बार देखा?
Actually, मैंने ना उतना ही देखा है.
Why is Sameer laughing?
There's a reason.
They haven't seen.
मैंने कुछ देखा है.
ट्रेलर तो देखा
Trailer.
है.
सिर्फ ट्रेलर ही देखा
Actually, मैंने सिर्फ ट्रेलर और टीजर ही देखा है.
Okay.
तो उतना ही देखा है, और उतने में तो ऑनेस्टली मुझे इतना, मैं थोड़ा डरा भी हुआ हूँ क्योंकि अब एंटिसिपेशन और
Picture क्या है?
और सस्पेंस इतना
ट्रेलर में तो इतना अच्छा था.
पिक्चर में क्या है?
ट्रेलर मुझे बहुत पसंद आया और मुझे सबने बोला वाओ यार, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी really good and this looks really good, and I was like yes, yes, are you sure, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm with you. I don't know anything.
Because honestly, I haven't seen it, but for one thing, Ram sir has made it. Okay, if there's anything good about it, it's probably because of him, and if it's anything
No,
bad,
that is not
probably
true.
because of him.
No. There's a whole team of people out there who I don't want to let down, and basically we're all worried, obviously, because any show that comes out, you're obviously worried about whether people like it. So far, thankfully, whatever that made, whether it's been Ninja, Arya, it's reached out. People have liked it, they've embraced it. So I'm hoping that they'll also like this.
And also, can I say this thing? Correct me if you feel I'm asking wrong question. Just tell me कि after working on this, do you actually personally felt that एक acting का जो तारुक का level है वो और बढ़ गया? क्या लगा ऐसे?
हाँ मैम, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि you kind of, the biggest learning is learning on the job, I believe. And
ये जो Namit Das, who I worked with on his father told him कि ये जो कला जो है ना वो करने की कला है. So it's only by doing that you can actually learn.
Yeah.
And Namit is also a fab actor.
Yeah. that. But this is so it's not as if it's going to be better or worse or it is one of those things that you can only practice and practice and practice.
And evolve in this way.
Like
Yeah, exactly.
for example, even when I'm not shooting anything, which is, for example, like an actor, at least like me, I know बहुत लोग काफी बोलते हैं कि वो बहुत शूटिंग करते हैं, लेकिन इतनी शूटिंग कोई नहीं करता है. हम इतना शूट, हम साल, अगर पूरा साल है तो साल में से आधे से भी कम टाइम हम शूटिंग करते हैं. इतनी शूटिंग कोई नहीं करता. बट इफ आई एम नॉट शूटिंग, आई कॉन्स्टेंटली I've never left the theater because it keeps you in that practice of, it makes you a better actor, it keeps you busy as an actor, it keeps you active as an actor, and you really need that. And like
और हाथ साफ हो जाता है. Even advertising, when I'm doing advertising, वो रियाज है. ये जो रियाज तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
रियाज जरूरी है.
वो करना पड़ता है, especially for something like if you are fortunate enough to get to do something like this, and that is the day you wait for, so you constantly have to be ready for that day.
Correct. Like the trenches. Yeah. Please.
3 series you will recommend to our viewers.
I
Ram.
like Patal Lok season 2 a lot. I like Family Man a lot. And now the third one, let me think about it a little, because this is top of mind. Sometimes I have them written down over here. I'll let me look at that, and meanwhile they can talk.
No, off to you.
Me?
Yes.
I really liked Rocket Boys. I really liked again Patal Lok season 2. I also very liked, and I'm watching a show right now called Severance. Which I really liked.
Fantastic.
I have heard that show is also very good.
Severance का तो खैर musically मैं Severance definitely recommend करूँगा, and Mismatched जिसमें yours truly भी हैं, और ऊपर से of course Anurag has done the work.
Anurag Saikia.
So he's a very dear friend. Love the work he does. काफी गाने ट्रेंड भी किए आप लोगों
ट्रेंड
के.
कर रहे हैं, इश्क है तो.
एक मेरा भी है.
वही और तारुक का भी है, वो वाला भी जरूर सुनना. वो सुन ही रहे हैं आप लोग, सब ट्रेंड कर रहा है, तो मैं क्या बताऊंगा यार. एंड व्हाट एल्स, आई मीन या दीस टू दैट, लाइक आई डोंट नो, Breaking Bad maybe. Music wise, great stuff back in the day.
There's a nice show on Apple called Presumed Innocent.
Yes. Jake Gyllenhaal.
Yeah, exactly. Jake Gyllenhaal.
Sorry, yeah, just to replug that back, Succession for sure. That's a great series.
Oh yes, sorry, that is like no
Yes.
question.
Yeah, so
Yeah, Succession, no question.
बहुत ही प्यारा
Best
music है.
ensemble actors.
Yeah, very good.
वो एक ऐसा टाइटल ट्रैक है, मैं बार बार रिवाइंड करके सुनता हूँ,
Yeah.
वरना यूजुअली स्किप
No,
करता
even
हूँ.
on a show, music on every casting, performance, every level.
हिंदी सीरीज मैंने ज्यादा देखी नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे कई बार ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं रहता कि कौन सी वाला
तो कर
मतलब.
दिया है ब्रिटिश राज ने.
वही, मैं ब्रिटिश राज का बंदी बन के घूम रहा हूँ. कल्चर बंदी.
और मतलब यू बोथ आर हियर, सो मतलब गाना तो एक बनता है ना.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बनता
ऐसे कैसे?
है.
ठीक है.
जरा सा और पा पकड़ना.
This is a song from our series. It's called Chala Chali. And it's about, like Ramsa said, it's about that, that everything is temporary, everything is fleeting. सब कुछ चला चली का खेल है.
सब चला चलेगा खेला, सब चला चलेगा खेला. वो सब चला चलेगा खेला, सब चला चलेगा खेला. कोई चला गया, कोई जावे, सब चला चली का खेला, सब चला चली का खेला।
वाओ
Thank you.
वाओ। मतलब ये पूरा जो स्टूडियो है ना, ऐसे इट्स फीलिंग लाइक कि वो एको। तारुक, अमेजिंग।
Thank you so much.
Wow.
It's actually it's because of the beautiful, hauntingly beautiful melody that
Thank you, thank
Shameek
you.
sir has made.
It was good fun, man. We delivered it right.
ओके, नाउ क्विकली राम, ये आपके लिए सवाल है। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव नेम ऑफ फ्यू एक्टर, सॉरी डायरेक्टर्स, एंड यहाँ पे आपको मुझे बताना है वन थिंग विच यू लाइक अबाउट देयर डायरेक्शन। शुड वी स्टार्ट?
No.
नो? इम्तियाज अली।
Imtiaz does love stories in a way in which it really, comes from his heart.
संजय लीला भंसाली।
I think Sanjay Bansali's operatic scale, the way that he, sort of, and he's so uniquely Indian, again, somebody that I admire a lot. Yeah.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट जोया अख्तर?
Oh, Zoya is also, these are all directors that I would aspire to be at some point. So I am envious of their work in a good way.
अनुराग कश्यप?
Same here. These are all voices, and that's something which I'm trying to find my own voice. These directors have found their voice.
राजकुमार हिरानी?
Raju is also a friend, so I mean, we all love his work. Yeah.
But one thing you personally like about
I think the
direction?
nice thing about Raju is that there's always a message which he gives to you in a way in which he does it so uniquely that you don't even realize he's giving you a message.
Okay, lastly, let me ask you, Ram Madhwani,
About me?
about you yourself.
I would like to speak in a spiritual, philosophical way. Like I put in the Bhagavad Gita into Arya. I put in the Mahamrityunjay mantra into Nirja, Sanskrit shlokas. I put in Kabir into the waking of a nation. I feel that if you speak philosophically to this country, you said that the room vibrates, and that is what you will see even after we leave. This room will be reverberating.
And are we also going to see any like strong women-oriented film or series soon by
And yes,
Ram?
we are writing, but you know how they say that if when you're pregnant, you're not allowed to speak about it. So I'm not going to speak about it for a while.
That is for few months. I'm not wrong.
In film language, it's a few years.
It's sometimes that months वो 3 महीना जो है वो थोड़ा साल
एक
बन
साल
जाता
बन
है.
जाता है.
Exactly.
But
So
कब
when
तक
I'm
हम
ready,
announcement सुन सकते हैं फिर भी?
I don't know, we're writing,
Okay.
but I do want to make a film which will embrace music and singing, lip sync songs. I think that is something that we are losing, and I want to get out there and go back to the way that our films are about music and singing, and I want to do that.
Okay, great. So it was lovely
Thank you.
to have you guys in our studio. Thank you so much for doing this and coming
Our
here.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.